Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Montego Bay, Jamaica. Now on the right is the Sangster International Airport, which is the largest airport in Jamaica and also the busiest airport. That is the runway on the right. I'm not sure the camera is picking it up, but we're going to go into the heart of Montego Bay. Basically, we're going to go from where we are. To the left is Flankers, to the right is the airport, to give you an idea of where we are. And we're going to drive towards the Hip Strip, which is the most popular area for tourists in Montego Bay. That's where you're going to find all the restaurants, the bars, all the activity that happens in Montego Bay. Tourism happens on the Hip Strip. Not only tourism, but mostly tourism. So we are on the A1 road that takes us into the heart of Montego Bay. And Montego Bay is the second city in Jamaica, and it is the most visited tourist city or tourist area in Jamaica because it has a Sangster International Airport, and 85% of all the tourists that come into Jamaica come into the Sangster International Airport. So 85% of all the tourists pass through Montego Bay. And they have a lot of hotels in Montego Bay. Cruise ships come into Montego Bay as well. So we're going to take a tour and show you guys. Basically just drive into Montego Bay and head towards the Hip Strip. So this is a Northern Coastal Highway, and it is a dual carriageway here, 4 lanes. It doesn't have the Jersey barrier, it has that grass median in between it. Although many persons have asked for the Jersey barrier because it's safer, accidents and things with the Jersey barrier. But remember, Negril is a tourist city, so that's probably why they had the grass. But here now you have the Jersey barrier. Alright, so coming up on the right now, you're going to see the Montego Bay sign. The sign that says, "Welcome to Montego Bay." And almost every time one of these signs go up, there's a lot of discussion. There was a lot of discussion about this sign when it went up. And also, one went up recently in Negril, and it also created a lot of discussion. Okay, so there you can see the sign, Montego Bay. Alright, so if we turn left here now, we would go on to Queen Drive. But we're going to go around the roundabout and head on to Sunset Boulevard. So the left here, we go on to Queen Drive, and that will take us up into the hill and back down into it merges back into the city. Now we're going to go left here now and go on to Sunset Avenue. But if we had continued around the roundabout, that would take us into the Sangster International Airport. Now this road will lead us to the intersection of the Jimmy Cliff Boulevard and Kent Avenue. We're going to go on the Jimmy Cliff Boulevard, which is also known as the Hip Strip. And the Hip Strip is very important to Montego Bay. And as a result, the government is going to be spending over 1 billion Jamaican dollars over the next 5 years to improve the Hip Strip. And they're trying to make it into the #1 Hip Strip in the Caribbean. So we'll keep you guys updated on what's going on with that. So the Hip Strip also has a lot of beaches and hotels on it. And they actually just announced the construction of, I think it's the Vista at Montego Bay, which is going to be a mix between residential and commercial. It's going to be a high-rise building, And we have videos up on that project to give you more detail, but it's going to be on the hip strip. We also have videos up touring the Sangster International Airport. And as we said at the beginning, that is the busiest airport in Jamaica and also the largest airport in Jamaica. And the runway is being extended. And we also have videos up showing giving you updates on the project. When that runway is finished, it's going to be the longest runway in Jamaica. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. So at the intersection above, we turn left, we go on to the hip strip. Turn right, we go on to Kent Avenue. And Kent Avenue has a lot of hotels on it. And both the hip strip and Kent Avenue has beachfront. So, meaning you have beaches along both those roads. On one side you have the hotels, and then on the other side you have the beach. Alright guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.